how to upload a video to Google Drive using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to upload videos to Google Drive. It's a great way to back up your videos, share them with others, or free up space on your device. Plus, you can access your files from anywhere. Start by opening Google Drive on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the App Store. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to log in. You need an active Google account to use Drive. Once you're on Google Drive, look for the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and you'll see several options. Select Upload File. Now you'll see two options, that is Photos and Videos and Browse. Tap on Photos and Videos. Here you can browse through your camera roll to find the video you want to upload. Select the video you want to upload and then tap Upload. You'll see a progress bar indicating that your video is being uploaded to Google Drive. And as you can see, once the upload is complete, you'll receive a notification. You can go back to your Drive homepage and you should see your video filed up there. If you want to share this video with someone, tap on the three dots and select share and enter the email address of the people you want to share it with. You can also adjust their permissions where they can view or edit the file. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Google Drive using your iPhone.